Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today, we're talking about tires on your vehicle. This is an expense that most people really don't like to do, but it's very necessary. And as we're rolling into the wet season here in Southern California, or what we'd call the wet season, most of the rest of the country would say that we're whining, but it's very important to have the proper tread on your tires, number one. One thing we need to talk about this morning is definitely at 4:30 seconds is when we recommend to start replacing tires for sure. If you actually were to, they used to use the penny trick, Abe Lincoln's head, that's 2:30 seconds. We really don't use that anymore. Use that George Washington's head on a quarter, 4:30 seconds, and that'll tell you when your tires are getting close. When we start getting down to the wear bars, the problem that we have with tires is they don't push the water out of the way on the road. Therefore, they tend to hydroplane and you lose your traction, which can be a safety item. Second thing we need to talk about on tires is tire pressure, which should be checked regularly. Keep your tires aired up properly and you will get a long life out of them. You won't get wear like this tire here that's been run low on air excessively. You see the center has quite a bit of tread and the outside has almost no tread. If you have your tires checked properly by a qualified technician, it'll keep you and your family safe.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.